Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am sharing a simple herbal tea for cold. Cold and its all related issues. The most common symptoms of a cold are dry throat, sore throat, cough, mild fever, sneezing, hoarse voice, blocked nose, and mild headache. If you are suffering from any problem out of these, use this herbal tea. If you will use this remedy as a complete course, I guarantee you will definitely get cured. How to make this tea? Let's start remedy. To make this tea, you will need dry sweet violet flower 5 to 6, Prashosha, a herb 1 teaspoon, you can get it from Indian store, green cardamom 2 parts, honey as required, water 2 cups. Boil 2 cups of water, add in sweet violet flower, prashosha and cardamom to the boiling water. Keep boiling until reduced to 1 cup. Add 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Drink hot. Use it daily before breakfast for a couple of months. You will get definite relief. Thanks for watching.